Learn Hindi for travel, entrance, starting point and
शौचालय.
welcome to your Hindi mission. Hey, you are about to learn 3 Hindi words that can save your day, your trip, and possibly your dignity. Let's make them stick with a little story and a lot of fun. Today your mission is simple. Find the entrance, return to the starting point, and, in the most urgent plot twist of all, locate the
शौचालय.
In Hindi, entrance is,
प्रवेश द्वार.
starting point is,
आरंभ बिंदु.
and toilet is.
शौचालय.
Yes, this chapter has everything: direction, adventure, and bladder-related suspense. The Great Building Adventure. Picture this clearly and play along. The weirder the scene, the better your memory works. You arrive at a giant museum shaped like a samosa. A glowing sign says,
प्रवेश द्वार.
that is the entrance. A tiny mouse in sunglasses stands beside the
प्रवेश द्वार.
like a serious security guard. You step inside, but then a loudspeaker announces, "Dear visitor, please go back to the..."
आरंभ बिंदु.
The treasure hunt starts there. So now you run back to the
आरंभ बिंदु.
where a red flag marks the exact starting point. Just as the race begins, you drink 3 glasses of lemonade and suddenly ask the most important question in any language: where is the
शौचालय.
question mark single quote. Word power drill. Now say the words with me slowly, like a confident traveler who totally knows where they are going. Entrance.
प्रवेश द्वार.
Again.
प्रवेश द्वार.
Starting point.
आरंभ बिंदु.
Again.
आरंभ बिंदु.
Toilet.
शौचालय.
Again.
शौचालय.
Mini rhythm time.
प्रवेश द्वार.
Go in.
आरंभ बिंदु.
Begin.
शौचालय.
Run fast but stay polite. Useful travel lines. These lines are practical, simple, and much more elegant than panicking with wild hand gestures. Please wait at the entrance. In Hindi, Kirpaya.
प्रवेश द्वार.
Para intizara karam. This is the starting point. In Hindi.
ये आरंभ बिंदु है.
Where is the toilet? In Hindi.
शौचालय.
Kaham hai? I need to use the toilet. In Hindi. Mujhe.
शौचालय.
Istamala Karana hai. Tiny dialogue, big survival. Listen to this mini scene. You can absolutely imagine yourself in it, preferably before the lemonade incident gets worse. A. Where is the entrance? B. Vaham.
प्रवेश द्वार.
Hi. A. Where do we begin? B. We begin at the
आरंभ बिंदु.
A. Excuse me, where is the toilet? B.
शौचालय.
Udara hai. Memory tricks that actually work. Let's glue these words into your brain with silly images. Your memory loves drama. 4.
प्रवेश द्वार.
Imagine a huge golden entrance door glowing so brightly it can be seen from space. 4.
आरंभ बिंदु.
Imagine a race where everyone is frozen at a sparkling starting line, waiting for a trumpet blast. 4.
शौचालय.
Imagine a giant shining sign appearing exactly 1 second before total travel disaster. Memorable? Extremely. Quick quiz challenge. Time to test yourself. No stress, just answer before the imaginary mouse security guard judges you. What is the Hindi word for entrance? Answer.
प्रवेश द्वार.
What is the Hindi word for starting point? Answer.
आरंभ बिंदु.
What is the Hindi word for toilet? Answer.
शौचालय.
Which word means the place where you begin?
आरंभ बिंदु.
Which word should you definitely remember at a station, mall, or public building? Honestly, all of them. But especially.
शौचालय.
Friendly wrap up. You did great. Really, these are small words with big real-life value. Today you learned entrance as
प्रवेश द्वार.
starting point as
आरंभ बिंदु.
and toilet as.
शौचालय.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words during your day, and next time you see a sign, try to name it in Hindi before your brain says, wait, I know this one.